He was right there. What the crap? That's like arm distance. I like those birds. He's right there. I love chickadees. There's another one right there, and that's not a chickadee. He's yellow. Pretty cool birds. I feel bad for wanting to shoot shotgun right now.